Okay, I'm going to do this little quick video tutorial to show how to upload to the ECS. First thing you want to do is you want to get to the JDC shared file, and you go to update the whiteboard file, and you'll need to get in here and edit the most recent document, which this one's March 2nd. You open that up, you'll look through it, match it up to the other whiteboard, and update it. Put your pass on information right here. Anything that, updating the count, make sure that that's okay. Once it's all updated, you want to save it, and you want to probably put it as today's date. You can get rid of some of this stuff, and you just save it back into that folder. You can close out of it, and you open up your browser, and you type ECS, and it should bring up the website. If it doesn't do that, you can go back to that shared folder, and there's a link on the instructions right here on this document. Open up that document. There's the link. You just hold Control and click on it. The username and password is my email address and password 123. So these instructions are they'll also teach you how to do this if you don't remember from watching this video. But so once we got to this page, it automatically loaded the username and password. You click Login, and you can go here. You can click on this button to view everything that's currently on the panel A. See, this is outdated, so you can go ahead and remove it. Click OK. You can go back to the main control page and go to Create. Click on Layout 3 because you can upload the document XLS, and that's the spreadsheet that we updated. You click Next, and then you click on Image for File Panel, or File for Panel, and then you go to Browse, and then you go to your shared drive and go to that folder and find the document that you just updated, and double click on it, and it'll load it. Once it's loaded, you can click Next to this page, run it till it's removed. You can put it on for 45 seconds if you'd like. Click Next. You can stretch it to fit and save it to a kit. It'll automatically just click this one, and that's our kit. And you can just put whiteboard March 6th, and then you would click Save. And if you want to check and see if it was uploaded, it is. It's right there. And that's pretty much how you can do it. If you want to maybe pass along a message to other shifts, you can go to frame B and click Create. Click Memo. Next. You can choose from a different template, but you just write to all WWT staff from. You could put night shift, you could put your name, whatever. You could put in the date and the subject. Maybe it's something that everyone should know about an inmate or juvenile. And then the message right here. I'll just go ahead. I'll just use today's date. And then go to next. And then click yes. And run it till remove for 40 seconds. Next. And there you can see the memo. You'd have to save it. You can choose the options of whether you want it to be stretched or not, and then you can click save. And as you can see, you can go over here to view, and you can see that memo right there that's been added to what's being rotated through. And then you can remove it if you'd like, if it's outdated. Just go ahead and remove stuff that's outdated. Return to the main control page. If you want to put it on this quick ticker, you can view everything that's on the quick ticker. If you come across a quote that you'd like to share with everybody, you can update it in here or add it in here. It's pretty easy to do. You can click create, put the text in this part of the message. I'll just put text, and then you click next. You can run it till it's removed. That's what it's going to look like, but you can put the background as any color that you'd like that's on this chart. You can make the text different colors too. You can change the font if you'd like. Click next, save it to a kit, and it'll pop up our detention center there. You just push text, and then you click save. You can go to the view, and as you can see, it's been added in here to the rotation. Go back to the main page. If you'd like to take something out, you can just go ahead and uncheck it, and that's it. Hopefully you have learned something from this video. If not, someone else can show you that knows how. But this is a good tool to communicate within the program. A lot of times things happen that other shifts need to know, and so this is a good way to get that message out. Other than using an email, but a lot of people might not check their email throughout the day, so this is another way of getting that information out there. Thank you. Thanks for listening.